Everyone, I just want to make a quick video on Netflix. If you're having a problem watching your video and there's some kind of issue, go here to this little flag on the very top right, click it, and then you'll see what's the issue. Buffering and loading, subtitles and captions, audio and videos, another issue. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to push buffering and loading. As you can see, for problems loading videos or streaming, find solutions at the Netflix Help Center. So this is the way that you can complain or make an issue with Netflix. Let's go to subtitles and captions. All right, so select all that, apply, and then you basically report this, and it's a way to troubleshoot. As you can see right here, it says don't see your issue, have more details added here. This is how you can complain to Netflix. I'm going to call this video how to complain to Netflix. Audio and video, have an issue, go here. And then you'll see that there's several options. And then another issue is just miscellaneous, I guess you could say. And then you'll go ahead and, apply something here. Anyways, this is a simple, stupid little video for a beginner Netflix, or even if you've been in Netflix for many years. Yeah, just thought I'd help. Thanks for watching, and please like or comment below. Bye-bye.